What's that tunnel? Yeah, there's a canal tunnel there, is it? What's that there, Conan? Hey, I heard that woman say a couple of them. Oh, it's raining again. This says 34, this, so. Okay, so here's me and Andy now, as you can see. Andy's behind the tree there. I don't know if you can see him. There he is. And there's a guy up there. But we have just come across this hidden gem. And it's got a clock tower, it's got everything. You name it, and this place has got it. What? Reset it. So yeah. Come on, Conehead. So here he comes now. In slow ass Conehead. Come on, Andy. Let's see if we can get you. Yeah, hopefully you'll fall. Here he comes. As you can see, we just walked straight in. Oh. Anyway, here's where we're going to be going in 2 seconds, guys and girls. So, oh, Andy, this place is amazing, isn't it? Look, it's got its own fuel pump, Conehead. Oh, look at that.
How much is it a litre?
It's free. It's nothing. All the fuel, man. Right, let's see if there's any back doors to this place. Yeah, it's gorgeous, isn't it? But I want to get in here. Check Andy out. The light behind as well, crap. Whoa. Right, anyway. So, I just got to pull on the camera. Now.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Well, no time to fuck about. I think this has got to be the, oh my god, this has got to be the best of the best, hasn't it? Wow.
Do you know what a lab coat places like this?
What?
Not been destroyed, have they?
That's what I mean, you know. Do you reckon this is safe, this? Oh, I don't know the shit, I'm going up there, mate.
Steel.
I know, but I do weigh a bit. There's no balconies or now. Oh, let's not go up at the same time, Conehead. What? Right, anyway, sorry about this, guys. Oh my days, you don't feel so safe when you get up here. Wow. Anyway, guys. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at them here. These, look, someone's cut all these down to weigh in, haven't they? Oh, look at that skeleton. Oh my days, look at that.
The fuck's that?
Fucking skeleton, mate. Oh my god, where's the clock tower? Is it? So here we're into a little kitchen. Nice little kitchen, what brings us out. Now there's a clock tower somewhere. Right there's a clock tower, right here. There it is there. There's the clock tower. I'm heading to the clock tower. Look at all these old beams. This place is just absolutely stunning. And it's sad because look, someone's come here and not only have they started cutting all this heavy brass down, they've made mine and Conrad's descent a lot more dodgier. Now, I think that goes onto the roof, Conrad. So if you want to give it a tug. Oh, Andy, come here. Check this bar out, yo. Oh my days, mate. This is just, look at all, oh god, I'm sorry. This is why I can't put none of my videos online, because I sound like a right puff. Like, how old are even any of these? Like guys, I don't know if you know any of these Chevys. T.O. something. What, 1790? I know, oh shit, yeah. Look at that though, that is just, that's something that's lost in history. Right, I'm going to carry on recording me because I want to get all of this on footage if I can. In fact, yeah, what the... Yeah, Conrad. Andy, here's a clock tower, mate. Wow, look, someone's tried banging it shut. That's the clock tower right there. And look, look at that there. That's going outside. 1 second. Do you reckon it opens up or what? No, I'm not really a spider kind of guy, me, but...
Push it with your hand up, go up.
Oh my days, look at it. Oh my god, it moves as well. Oh my god. Now guys, look at that. Now that's your clock there. I'm sorry, but I'm going up. I'll be back in a sec. That's all, I didn't know. 1 sec. Yeah. Just let me make sure it's all safe. It's a bit... I'm stood next to a fucking bell. And... Right, 1 sec, Conrad. Oh my god, it gets even rottier. Oh my days, oh my god. Right, I don't know about these ones here, but guys, I've just got to show you this here. Oh my gosh. Right, I'm sorry, but I'm going up. The 1 sec, Conrad. Oh, sorry, can I just use this 1 sec, pal? Oh god. Yeah. You only live once. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I know I'm still recording here, guys. Wow. Wow, wow. Oh my god. Just give 1 sec, Conrad. Oh my days, mate. This is unbelievable, this. It really is. This is actually unbelievable. Right, 1 sec, guys, sorry about this. Where I am stood right now, wow. Now look at these old bells and oh my gosh, this is just unbelievable. And are you coming up here?
Yeah.
Right, just give me 1 sec. Yeah, Conrad. Do you want me to pass you? Oh, it doesn't matter. Right, so yeah. Oh my god, I can turn the clock. Oh my god, I can change the time. check this out now, lad. Just look at this, yeah, I just do that. Someone outside is even looking at this clock. Now there's where the clock hand is. There's where all the old wheels are. Now look at this, guys. This is just... Now to be honest with you, yeah? Yeah, one sec, mate. I'm just... Grab it. Go on, I've got it. Now, I can't even believe that we're up here. Here's Andy coming up now. I can't not believe where we are. Look, there's a tree in here and everything. I just cannot believe it. The old bell's there. That's the old pulley system, I'm assuming. That feels unsecure like heck. But wow. Right,
What the fuck?
I know, Conrad. I don't even know what to do. I know, but look at this, Conrad. Look where we are, bro. Now check all this old stuff out, mate. Look at this here, Andy. Look, that's a piece of engineering, that, innit? Hey, if I've ever seen a piece of engineering, this is it right now.
Where we are.
Look, oh, here's the time, look here. Conrad, here's how you do the time.
We're in a fucking bell tower.
I can't believe we're in a bell tower. Look. I don't even know what's going on here, guys, but I don't know what that does. But this is absolutely
we're in the
quality.
top of the tower.
Yeah, I know there's landline. I know we have. I can't even believe it. No one's gonna believe this. Well, yeah, we've got it on camera, mate.
I don't know what Big Ben looks like.
I know, yeah. Yo, this is sick, mate. This is just like amazing. Honest to God, I've never seen out as quality as this.
Look outside, you can see the fucking handles moving.
Oh, no way, man. Does that turn?
Yeah.
Oh, you're turning the clock, Joe. Go on, turn it. Oh, 1 minute. But no way does that turn the handles, man. Yeah, what does this one do here? Oh my God, yeah, look. I don't know if you can see the handles outside, but look. Everyone's gonna be like, fucking hell, look, the clocks are working.
I know it might be what's on top now.
I know, yeah. It will do, won't it? All the clocks spinning around on the fucking tower. I can't believe this. This is the old we've just come through, like Fred Dibner.
Only come to see a fucking tunnel.
Well, you know what? We drove past this place the other week and I said to Conan, I went, look at that place there, it's like a little village. I went, it's got a church and everything. Now, I don't think he remembers, but... Oh my gosh, that goes so far down, that.
They're the fucking pendulums and that's what people call them.
Yeah. Right, who's going down first? Oh, you're taking in a moment. Look at how mad it is, just look at the age of everything. It's just unbelievable. Right, I'm just gonna shoot off for a sec.
I'm in the fucking bell tower. Look. What the fuck? And it only goes higher up. See in a minute.
This is it right now.
Look where we are.
Look, oh, here's the time, look here. Go on, here's how you do the time.
We're in a fucking bell tower.
Can't believe we're in a bell tower. Look. I don't even know what's going on here, guys, but I don't know what that was. But
Turn the camera on so we can have a look.
this is absolutely...
We're in the top of the tower here.
Yeah, I know there's landline. I know we have.
I don't know
I
what
can't
fucking...
believe it. No one's gonna believe this. Well, yeah, we've got no camera, mate.
I don't know what Big Ben looks like.
I know, yeah. You know, this is shit, mate. This is just like amazing. Honest to God, I've never seen out.
Hey, look outside. You can see the fucking handles moving.
Oh no way, man. Does that turn?
Yeah.
So guys, we've just come back down from up here, where you can see the bell tower. We are, sorry, the clock tower. We are now here in the bell tower with this thing here. Oh my God, Andy! Holy shit! I didn't know it worked.
Villages look like something. I think it's fucking Judgment Day.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking corpses are coming out of the fucking ground.
Oh, I can't believe it worked.
Can't wait to see your video on this, man.
It's gonna be quality, bro. Oh my days. Right, guys.
Your video, eh?
Yeah.
You're gonna fucking give me an ass. I'm fucking full of flu. Just come out of hospital dying. Look at me. Fucking 40 floors up in a fucking old downhouse.
Oh look, it's bad. You can just see straight outside there, isn't it? Let me just zoom in out there, guys. I don't know who you're picking that up.
Ash, what did I say to you a couple of hours ago? Got a fucking banging migraine, me, and you stick me in a bell tower and start ringing bells.
Can I do it one more time?
No. That's my fucking brain's rattling around here.
Right, we're gonna go down now.